Hello friends, welcome to my channel Online Tutor Learning Made Easy. Here in this video, I am going to introduce with the React.js to-do management application, and I will show you how to make this to-do management application in React.js with an easy and simple way. Here in the series of this tutorial, I will how to create the to-do management project in React.js. Friends, this is a very simple project that I am going to create for you so that you can easily learn all the basics of React.js. Here in this video series, we will learn the stack, props, component, state uplifting, and all the basic concepts of React.js. So friends, get in touch with me by subscribing my channel, by sharing so that others get benefited with this video series, and to get a notification for each upload of this video series, you can hit the bell icon. So friends, stay tuned with me for the next video tutorial that will include all the things that we need to make a React.js application. So friends, let me introduce what you will be able to create after watching each and every part of this React.js video tutorial series. So friends, you will be able to create this to-do management application at the end of this video. With this application, we can add a task. As you can see, I have added a task. Here is the list of all the active tasks. Here is the list of all the completed tasks, and here is the list of all the tasks, whether it is completed or pending. So friends, please be with me in the whole video series. Thank you.